Welcome, I'm following a DOOGEE N30, and today I will show you how to put the device into recovery mode. And to get started, hold power key, select power off, and once the device turns off you want to hold power key and volume up, both of the keys at the same time, so let's do it right now. There we go. So you should see the boot mode right here. And using only volume up, you want to navigate through this in order to select the first option, which is recovery mode, and then use volume down to confirm it. And this will boot you into recovery mode. And as you can see, there it is, the recovery mode. Now in this mode you will need to use volume keys to navigate and power key to confirm whatever is selected. And as you can see, you can from here reboot the device, reboot to bootloader, which is where we just were, enter fastboot mode, apply updates from SD card or ADB, wipe data or cache partition, mount system, view logs, run tests, along with powering off the device. So just gonna leave this mode by selecting reboot system now, and this will take me back to Android. And there we go. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.